Hi guys, so to bleed the clutch on your motorbike, what you need a screwdriver will look like a little bit like Phillips screwdriver, but it's in fact another standard. It's JIS as far as I remember. So you unscrew, there's two screws here to access the tank of DOT brake fluid, which is for your clutch. It's the same liquid then for your brake. So you unscrew these two screws, just unscrew them to be sure you can open the tap. It's important to have a look first if you can unscrew them, because if you bleed all your system and then realize after you can't open the tap here, and what happened? You've got no clutch anymore. So just unscrew these two screws to be sure you will be able to do the job. Remember to protect your tank, everything on the motorbike. So I recommend to put some plastic bag here. That's what I'm doing with some rubbish bags, with some tape and cloth, all protected all around it, because this liquid is very corrosive and can damage the paint, the plastic, everything on your bike. So after the bleeding it's done here, you've got this little nipple here with a 8 millimeters wrench. You unscrew that, but before doing this, so you have to hold your clutch in position. So I recommend to pump a little bit a couple of times. First, hold it and unscrew this screw here. It creates sort of pressure, and the liquid will coming out from the nipple here. So you have to connect your little hose here to the tank, or in my case I put a sort of a plastic bucket underneath and a bottle, and the little pipe of the little hand of the bleeder is going to be connected to a bottle and leak in a bottle, so it's not too messy this way. So when it's done, and by the way, before doing this job, don't do this when your motorbike is super hot, because this part of the engine will stay very hot for a long time. So it's important to do it when your engine is, maybe warmish, but not more than that, because you will burn yourself on that. And also, if it's too hot, when you will connect your hose on this, it will not stand in position properly because of the temperature. It will not connect very well on the nipple here. So when it's done and you have actioned the clutch a couple of times, I would say 5-6 times, and the liquid's coming outside. So what you're doing, if you remove already these two screws and remove the tap, put this on the side. I put a cardboard on the ground to not also mark the floor. So you put this on the ground, and be careful when you will action your clutch. This creates sometimes some sort of bubble inside the tank, and what's going on, this bubble can also spread some drop of liquid everywhere around your motorbike. So remember, that's why you have to cover everything. And when you action your clutch, put this little tap back. That's what I'm doing. I'm not rescrew it, just put it on it and action that, and do my job to extract the liquid. And when I have to put more new fresh liquid on it, I remove the tap, put this on my cardboard on the ground to not drop some liquid everywhere. Add on more liquid. Remember, you've got a little window here will show you the level of liquid. In my case, it was quite easy because the original liquid was blue greenish, and the new one is kind of yellow, so it was quite straightforward to see. Then all the liquid was gone, because when I was keep doing the bleeding here and it started to be yellow, and first green light and later yellow, and after completely yellow, I was sure then the old liquid was all gone and only the new liquid was in the tank. So that's it. After, when it's done, you put back your cover. Remember to put some paper towel or something all around it when you put the cover, because it could also leak all around it here. So clean up the corner here all around it. Clean up this properly, because if you don't do it, it would also mess up as it did on my brake little reservoir here. I left some liquids a little bit all around it, and it's damaged all the paint. No drama, but it doesn't look right, doesn't look clean. So to avoid that, clean up right away after. Better to have a paper towel and something to clean up this immediately after. All right, when it's finished, you will give a try with your motorbike. You will see the clutch is very very smooth and easy to action, and the gears going like in butter. It's very 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 good option. Something I would recommend to do. Apparently, according to the manual, we should do it every second year, every 2 years, or something like that. No matter if you ride or not the motorbike, because the liquid will perish with time. So it have to be done every 2 years, I think. If you do it even every year, it just take honestly it took me altogether it didn't took me 15 minutes. So it's not a big deal, and it makes your life much easier, and the comfort of the motorbike is really great after that. All right, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Bye bye.